I knew she was tricking for foundation. That's not gonna work. Somebody get this jigaboo away from me.
Be a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now for today's video, we will be getting ready for a potential date night. So I'm practicing some looks that I may want to show him when I can get him alone. So that is what we're doing today, okay? Yes, it's SipnSlay, and you guys know I got my Stella Rosa on deck. Green apple in the Tiffany glass is giving me everything. Okay, I just hit my lip. So make sure you go ahead and grab your wine, your water, your juice, your coffee, whatever you got to quench your thirst so you can get into this look with me, okay? Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell to miss anything else coming up. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Hey y'all. I'm hydrating before I get to my wine, okay? Did you watch the install? Did you see the install of this unit? Hold on, I got hair. If you don't know, I really like doing the makeup and hair chit chat type of thing. I have a lot of fun with it, y'all. I like talking to myself or to y'all, so yeah. I ain't crazy, but I like but I like doing it, okay? Okay, so before we finish up the hair, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look, because y'all been asking me for makeup, so here we go with the makeup, okay? So first we need to prime our face. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I've been using this now for a couple of months and I actually really like it. Again, it is a little bit more on the pricier side compared to like my Maybelline baby skin and like my Morphe priming oil, but the results I be getting, no worries. Okay, y'all see how it's looking? Y'all see how it blurred it right on out? Nail check. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows really quick. This is my Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. I love this pencil. It gets the job done. I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out, I will link it down below. Hold on, where's my stuff? Hold on. Let me relax. I got my shoulders all up by my ears. Goodness gracious. Well, I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the color 415 Honey. I will always shout out my girl Lace by Jazz. She put me on to this concealer and I have not looked back since. Clean it up. Okay, y'all see how that concealer gets the brows together? Get them together. Let me frown so I can see where my line is. So now I'm just setting my eyes with my concealer, the same color I used to carve out my brows. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to use that to set my brows. A light dusting on the brows, okay, just a little bit. Okay, so for my shadows, I'm going to be using two different Juvia's Place palettes. I'm going to be using the Vanessa Juvia's Place collaboration palette, and then I'm going to use the Chocolates palette by Juvia's. You guys know I've had that one for a while and I love using it. This palette, y'all, is gorgeous. You see those colors? Very pretty. So I'm going to do something very simple. We're going to use BSG right here, and these shadows are very pigmented. They do have fallout, but these palettes are very inexpensive, so you know, it doesn't bother me. Big motions. I love this brush from Morphe. This is my M505 brush. It's so fluffy. Now we're blending. I like that movie, y'all. The movie Blended with Adam Sandler and what's her name? What's her name from E.T.? Never been. What's her name? Drew Barrymore. We're blending. Now we're gonna use the chocolates palette, and I'm gonna use this deep shade right here on the corner. This is on the left side of the palette. To the left, to the left. Put it on a fluffy brush. You're gonna put it on the outside crease. I like this, y'all. I like that, to that. I like this, y'all. Dun, 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 dun. I'll be cracking myself. Oh. And then I'm gonna use a dense packer brush with that same color and focus that right into that V area. Looking good. Ah. All right, so then we're gonna use our little fluffy packer. Hold on, something's on my brush. What's this? I do need to clean my brushes later. All right, so now I'm gonna use the color Busy right in there. It's like a peachy, it's like a dark peach color. We're gonna put that on the lid and up into the crease and bring it over about 1/3 of the way. Let me just make sure this is all blended together. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this coral color right here. What name is that? Stush? Stush? Okay, I'm gonna bring that right over the crease between those two colors. Give me some of that funky stush. I don't know why I'm like this either, y'all. I don't know. What I do know is my lips are ashy. I'm like a crackhead. Goodness. And I haven't used the shimmers yet. I think I want to try though. I was going to go for Extra, but I feel like I've done her before. But Perfectionist is giving, ooh, it's giving something. Let's see, if I put it on my finger, should I have used a primer? It's not really coming off the way that I need her to. Oh, there she is. I gotta go a little more heavy-handed. That's what it is. Okay, let me use this little brush that I got. You doing a little something? Okay, okay. I'm gonna try Extra. I'm gonna do a little bit of Extra, cause I'm extra. Okay, so let's just do a little bit right in here. Probably should have done a primer to get this glitter to kind of pop out a little bit more. Them stupid TikTok videos got me looking crazy, but they funny though. Time for some foundation. CoverGirl True Blend in the color D50. Been using it for years, not changing it. I want the sponsorship from CoverGirl. Look at me, okay? I'm loyal, okay? I'm loyal. I've been using it for years, okay? I've been putting people on for years. Send me the stuff. What I gotta do, huh? Let me stop. Brenda's thinking already. I knew she was tricking for foundation. Hey, let's go ahead and blend this in with another product from Lace by Jazz. This brush, okay? This brush is the bomb. I got mine from Amazon. It is the Real Technique Instapop face brush. I can't talk, y'all. I have a really serious overbite that I want to get Invisalign for. Then I thought about getting braces. I even saw a dentist for the consultation, but it's just actually doing it, like having that in my mouth for dang near a year. I don't know if I could do it. If I would have did it when I was supposed to do it, I would have been done in a couple months. So it's like, just do it so you don't have the same feeling next year. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Now it's time to conceal. If anybody has had Invisalign or braces, let me know your experience with them. I want to know, like, you know, how it is. I don't know, but I feel like I'm too old for braces. Is that weird? Okay, let's go ahead and contour these cheeks. I can never find nothing. It's right in my face. It's right in my face. All right, saddlebag. Okay, I'm gonna bring it right here into the nose. What is that? I'm about to mess up my whole daggone face. Sunny days. Okay, let's go ahead and blend that in. Where am I? Here we go. I'm getting quicker at finding my stuff, y'all. You gotta be quicker than that. I think this is gonna be a pretty look, y'all, because that pink's starting to pop out. Y'all see it? Y'all see how it's starting to pop out? You see it? You see it? And my Tony Baker voice. If you don't watch him or listen to his stand-ups on Instagram, y'all, I be in here cracking up. Look at who you came to see. Little ducks, you better bow when you step on the scene. Let's get this nose together. Get it together. Every time I sing that song, I think about, it's a movie with Sanaa Lathan, I'm pretty sure. I also think about, what's that movie? The other movie she had with Wesley Snipes, Disappearing Acts. Like, that movie had me all in my feelings. I was like, okay, Wesley, okay. And then I was like, okay, Wesley. And then I was like, okay, Wesley. Like, y'all, he just had me all over the place. And her too, with her singing. Her lip syncing. I just want. Like, they couldn't possibly get anyone closer to match what she might sound like if she could sing. Really? Really? That's what y'all decided to do? Have y'all seen that though? Let me know down below. Why I got my hand on my hip? Lord, and I put it right back. I mean, it's comfortable. Oh yeah, I'm still blending. Okay, I'm on my Bob Ross. Couldn't do them trees, but this face gonna turned out snatched. Listen. Boom, 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 boom. So make sure you can see it. You see it? Okay, how we looking? How we looking? Ooh, she coming in. Uh-oh, wait a minute. About to knock this whole thing over. That's not gonna work. Ooh, Tom Cruise. Goodness, what is on my shirt? I don't even know what that is. Listen. I ain't gonna trip on it. No, I'm changing my clothes anyway. Set it, I need to set my face, duh. Let me get a drink though, hold on. Got some lemons in my water today, y'all. It's good. We gonna set and we gonna set. Come on, come on, come on, sis. Okay, yeah. Ooh. Let's go ahead and pat all that in. I mean, Emmy knows how to unlock it too, sweetheart. What you eating? Jada made you a sandwich?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Good job. Keep on pushing that product in, y'all. Oh, I love it when the look come together. Ain't she? Okay. Bow. Yes. All right, now we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty banana setting powder. Like I always tell y'all, a little bit. It will wash you out in 0.25 seconds. Okay, and that's enough. That's all I'm gonna do. That's all I'm gonna do with that one. Wait, hold on. Just, okay. Here we go. Just a little more. Okay, let's do a little bit of contour. Ken, I still got it, baby. Ooh. I've been working on putting my stuff back where it goes while I'm working, so I don't gotta do it after. Trying to be a little bit more organized. I don't know what that, boop, boop, boop. Don't, ow. 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 What is that on, Family Guy? When Peter got the nails on. Let me brush off this eye situation. Let me buff that a little bit more. She a little casket sharp. Okay, let me go ahead and spray her down. All right, here we go, here we go. Basking in the ambience, basking in the ambience. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this hair situated right now. I was watching Tyler Perry's, what's that movie? The one with Blair Underwood and Lynn Whitfield, right? Isn't that her name? Go get your jacket, Lena, right now, right now. The sister that had all the daggone monologues. She was into that role. My wig is crooked. My wig is crooked. Double homicide. Okay, so the lace looks pretty daggone good, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. Y'all, that joint is melting in. You hear me? You see it? Y'all gonna get sick of me saying that because it's hilarious. You see a little line right there. Okay, but that is what contour is for. Okay, you put the contour on top of that to get that line together, okay? If you saw during my put down, I left my edges out right here. The unit I would say it is big hair friendly based on how it's on my hair right now, but I do have on my wig grip and I'm wearing the elastic band that comes with this unit, and their elastic bands for WowAfrican are very, very, very sturdy, okay? So yeah, it's gonna pull that lace back on the sides a little bit. Be mindful of that. I was gonna wear the unit glueless, but I decided to go ahead and glue her down just because I love me a kinky straight unit, okay? I love me a kinky straight loves me, and we're gonna rock out for the rest of the day. Maybe even the next 2 days, okay? I only plucked a little teeny bit on the hairline, not too much though, because I just didn't feel like it. And honestly, I didn't feel like it was needed. I need to fix my part since I got her all crooked. And this unit does come bleached, so that is a plus. Hold on, what's not going right here? Let me see. Right up in there. I got the hot comb. Get up off me, get up off me, get up off me. Okay, let's start pressing this joint out on top. Press, 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 press. Let me get my wax stick right here. Get all up in that root, hold that down in there. And this is my second time doing a kinky straight unit for WowAfrican. I loved that wig, and I wore her glueless. So if you are ever worried if you can wear the unit glueless or not, guess what, you can. This unit does have some crimps in it. Normally I see more crimps when it's a yaki texture. Let me use my blow dryer on high heat to get this flatter on top. Cut down so much time sitting with a daggone hot comb and a flat iron sometimes. And then I'm going to bump my ends just a little bit. Bump them just enough so I'll notice. That's the whole point, just a little bump. Let's put the lashes on. Shh, shh. Not while I'm near my eye. Okay, then I'm gonna use my favorite gloss at the moment. It is the Cardi Galore Champagne Gloss. I love it, and y'all love it on me too. Mwah! She went from Cameron Diaz to Jay-Z. You mean to tell me that you're not a woman? White? Somebody get this jigaboo away from me. How do I feel about those? I don't know how I feel about those. But I think we're gonna go ahead and commit to it. Let's finish up our brows. Let me do a little bit of touch up with my dry mascara. Okay, we're gonna take our face powder and just blend all this together like this. Okay, y'all, so how we looking? How we looking? I did not want to do a bunch of work with this unit. You watched the install, you saw that I listed all the specs that I had for my unit. This unit is not cheap, okay? It's not a cheap unit. However, you do get a lot for the price point. It already comes pre-plucked, it already has bleach knots. It comes with the elastic band, so if you want to wear the unit glueless, you can definitely do that. I think the whole look, y'all, nail check came together. Okay, so what we thinking, y'all? What we thinking? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put all my specs in the direct link for this unit down below, so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.